Welcome to another good learning video. Well, maybe a short learning video. I'm going to go over to Tableau, and this is the Data Plus Movies data set from IronViz. So I'm going to go over here. I have many sheets in here, some of the ones they gave us, but I'm also going to come over here and click New Worksheet. Because I thought about it, I wanted to create a map of the world. So if I go over here to production country, and I know that they warn you on here. If you click on it and hover, it warns you about the production company. But I still want to see at least where the primary company is located and how many titles that they do. And I want to get an idea of this via what it looks like on a geographic basis. Let's see if it clicks it. Oh, yeah, it did. Oh, perfect. And then right now, I want to get a map. And so it shows me a map of the world, and that was pretty straightforward. But really, I want to do by number of titles, and I've already done this. I'm going to do it for repetition, just so you can see number of titles and on size. It's already there, but this card here, I want to change the color to edit colors, and I want to change this color setting to, I want to use something other than red or green because it kind of, or blue, because it kind of denotes that good or bad. I don't want to really do that so much, but I do want to do like a purple or gold purple diverging. Oh, you take gold because it kind of aligns to the Golden Globes and things like that, just in gold in general. So I can switch it. The gold's on the left, purple's on the right. I'm going to reverse the order so I can have it flip both ways. And then I'll hit close. And then I'll hit size and I'll make it a little bit larger because clearly we can see that there's a size distortion. You know, size matters, right? Because the US is here and it's blowing things out. India is blowing things out too. Then we go ahead and drag the year release. And I'll take the full range right now. This is the short set of data because you can't load the big set of data. You can just get the set of data. And then I also want to put the country in the filters. I'll put top. And I'll do everything but null because those countries aren't defined. You could go back in the database, like here, there's three unknowns, and fix that. But I'm going to say OK. And then with filter, I'm going to show this filter. And I'm going to show this filter, and they're here. And so this becomes, I'm going to call this geo dash all, right? And then I want to duplicate this, right click, duplicate, and I'm going to call this geo secondary. And that's because on the secondary one, I want to remove some countries. I want to remove India because of the distortion that's going on here. I want to remove the United States because I really don't get a sense in a United Kingdom. There we go. Voila. When I remove that, I get two different views of data, right? Remember data view one, where I had the United States and them overwhelming everybody. Everybody's purple and we have gold and gold. But as you saw, when I pulled the United States out, because that distortion, the size was just too overwhelming, I can see emerging markets in ways I couldn't see it before. So right now I see France, I see Germany, I see Italy. I see a lot of Europe films. I see a lot of Canadian films. I see a lot of Brazilian films. I watch some of these Brazilian films. They're kind of fun. And I'll see a lot of Japan films. Hmm. You know, I would also go back in and maybe under tooltip, I'll come in and I'll go insert sheets, and I want to do top 10 genres because that's part of this starter kit they gave us. And therefore, when I hover over one country, I get their top 10 genres for that country. So as you imagine, Japan has anime and it has animation. And so I get both. Let's make sure that works for the other sheet too. Oh, so good. I'll do it. Insert sheets, top 10 genres, say okay. That's a tooltip. I prefer to call it chart and chart, even though it is a tooltip officially. But you can see I can actually see the top 10. So I get both charts, top 10. And tell me what you think. I think this is a really powerful chart that does a lot of cool things. Thank you.